I'm Jason.
I'm Melissa.
Today we are at Shoals Falls in North Georgia, just outside of Helen, Georgia. It's about a 2.5 mile trek down to both Shoals Falls and Blue Hole Falls. About 500 feet of elevation gain and hopefully about an hour-long trip. It's our first trip on this one. We're gonna photograph the whole way and we'll let you know what we think when we finish up. Quick.
I have these shoes on.
Wow.
Very high for these shoes on.
This can be a challenge coming back up.
I'm worried about sliding on the way down than I am on the way back up.
Probably have a trekking pole.
Oh, did you want one? We didn't bring it, did we?
Not now.
We're close enough to go get it, but I don't want it in the mud.
But take your time. Yep. Lots of mud.
Probably will have mud tomorrow, so it's okay.
Huh?
You gotta learn to get dirty.
There's a big puddle right here. Just endured about 2 inches of rain this morning.
That was funny, so we came to Helen the other day.
Wow, this is downhill on the way. Patient.
Yep, just take slow steps.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hey, good afternoon. I do hear a truck. Well,
We're 0.3 of a mile in.
Huh?
We're 0.3 of a mile.
I'm hoping that's just water falling from the
is.
trees. No, we're not going to deal with rain anymore. Trail's still muddy, but it's a lot firmer down here.
When I notice that we're getting more of the raindrops is when the wind blows.
Yeah.
That's why I'm thinking it's on the trees.
I hope so.
Yeah, I don't want to be sleeping here tonight.
Find out the number of the local tow truck company getting off the hill. Alley's not built for full running. See, somebody pushed a lot in here. Go too fast.
I texted the kids that we made it here and we can pick someone up on the ride up the snorkel. I said it was a little scary for a moment, but we made it.
Okay. I got you, bro. Go for it.
What? That's a huge tree!
I ain't doing that shit.
Alright.
No, dude, you gotta be careful. Nah,
I hit like this. Sideways.
no shit.
You did it?
This is the last switchback to Shoals Falls.
So hard, muddy. Close it down again.
Oh, that's nice. Holy moly. This is Shoals Falls. Just south of Hiawassee, Georgia, just north of Helen, Georgia.